5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Brief facts of the case of the petitioner. As per the pleadings made in the writ petition is that in pursuance to the proceeding initiated under the Land Acquisition Act 1894, in short the Act 1894, land in question has been acquired which was the subject matter of land acquisition case reference case number 03/2011 in WPC number 5808 of 2019 learned acquisition case reference case number 05/2011 in WPC number 5818 of 2019 and land acquisition case reference case number 09/2011 in WPC number 5822 of 2019 in the aforesaid LA reference cases. Judgment has been passed in 8/4/2014 and in pursuance thereto decree has been prepared on 2/5/2014 and signed on 5/5/2014. The land losers have filed execution case being execution case number 68 of 2014, execution case 70 of 2014 and execution case 73 of 2014 respectively for execution of decree. However, Messrs. Bharat Cooking Coal Limited and the beneficiary, the petitioner, herein has filed an objection under section 47 of the CPC on the ground that due to coming into effect of the new act, the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013, in short Act 2013, wherein a provision has been inserted as under section 24 within bracket 2 thereof, which provides the conditions for initiation of land acquisition proceeding if initiated under the provisions of the Act 1894 stanza. According to the petitioner, the possession of the land has not been taken. Therefore, one of the conditions as provided under section 24 within bracket 2 of the Act 2013 is available. As such, the proceeding initiated either by way of land acquisition case or converted into reference case will vitiate, and therefore the decree which is showed to be executed cannot be executed. Due to that reason, the executing court has rejected the aforesaid plea without appreciating the legal provision the as contained under section 24 within bracket 2 of the Act 2013 and its impact. Therefore, the present writ petitions under the supervisory jurisdiction of this court as conferred under Article 227 of the Constitution of India stanza. Mr. Parth Jalan AC2 learned GA4 appearing in WP within bracket C number 5808 of 2019, Miss Shruti Sinha AC2 learned AG appearing in the writ petition within bracket C number 5818 of 2019 and Mr. Dhananjay Kumar Pathak learned GA third appearing in writ petition within bracket C number 5822 of 2019 representing the respondent state of Jharkhand have jointly submitted by referring to section 47 of the CPC that the scope to show interference in the execution case is very limited. They have further submitted by referring to provisions of 24 within bracket 2 of the Act 2013 that ingredient contained herein therein is not available in view of the fact that land has been acquired by the state of Jharkhand in favor of the BCCL, the beneficiary, and therefore the ingredient of Section 24 of the Act 2013 as contended by learned counsel for the petitioner is not available. Therefore, the trial court, considering the aforesaid aspect of the matter, has rejected the petitions filed under Section 47 of the Code of Civil Procedure. As such, it cannot be said that there is any error apparent on the face of record warning any interference by this court under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. Stop over.